So it's no secret that getting our toys dirty is way easier than keeping them clean most of the time. There's always something we're doing or something happening that's keeping them dirty, whether it's being out in the dunes, the mud, racing around the track, or these crazy Arizona monsoons and dust storms we've been getting lately. Hey everyone, I'm Denver with Nash Powersports, and you're watching Nash Powersports YouTube. What I'd like to show you today is the Renegade Products Off-Road Detailing Kit, which is perfect for getting your side-by-side, dirt bike, truck, whatever you have, back to its right-off-the-showroom shine. This kit literally has it all. Right off the top, we see some squirt bottle tops and some red microfiber towels. The kit comes with 3 of these. This is actually my favorite part of the kit and makes buying the entire kit totally worth it. This is the Rebel foam cannon. You can use this and it works great because you can cover a large majority of your unit in just a few seconds. A green microfiber wash mitt. And of course, 3 premium microfiber round applicator pads. First up is the Savage All-Purpose Cleaner. This works great for undercarriages and caked on mud on the side of your unit. You can use it with the foam cannon. The Money Shot is the real workhorse in this kit, as its very dense, neutral pH foam clings onto any surface and really helps to get off that caked on dirt and grime. The spray-on wax is awesome and is usually referred to as an instant detailer and really makes the paint on your unit really stand out. It is water-based and will leave no film or residue and is direct to towel application. Make sure that your unit is dry and clean before applying. The Rebel rim and wheel protection along with the Rebel rubber and vinyl cleaner works incredibly well, and it's long-lasting, as you can see in this video. I also applied some to our tech Chris's truck at the beginning of the week to see how it would hold up during regular driving. And as you can see, it held up pretty well. You're welcome, Chris. Like I mentioned before, the Rebel foam cannon is awesome. It makes applying product like the all-purpose cleaner and the waxer very easy, as you can see here, but you have to have a pressure washer in order to use it. So there you have it, guys, the Renegade Products Off-Road Detailing Kit. All of our Nash Powersports locations carry this kit and it runs $119. All the parts in this kit, from the Rebel rubber vinyl cleaner, the spray-on wax, the Money Shot, and the all-purpose cleaner, will really do a good job for each application that you may have. And you can use this kit on literally everything. Your car, motorcycle, dirt bike, side-by-side, semi-truck, whatever you want. And in case you run out of stuff in your bottles, you can always stop by the store and pick up another one to replace the one that you've used. So there you have it, guys. Give us a like and a subscribe, and stay tuned for some other great product reviews, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.